So 2026 just started, and before I write a single line of code on this channel, we need to talk. Because if you're a developer right now, you've probably heard this line at least probably like 10 times, right? Tutorials are dead, AI is replacing junior devs, everything is already built. And I think I have a favorite one. I've heard another one was, why watch another Laravel tutorial? I think it sounds like a skill issue, but let me explain. So most tutorials right now, as they're being produced, they're not failing because they're bad, but it's because they're disconnected from reality. They teach things like syntax, right? They teach features. They teach how a framework works. And essentially, they never teach why a business would actually pay to use it. So you can sit down, you sit and watch a 3-hour playlist and still have no idea on how money moves from in and out, maybe how a client thinks about a certain product, maybe how products scale, or why half the apps you see actually online, they never pass the third or the fourth month, right? It's not a coding problem, honestly. It's a business problem. So I have a certain personal outbreak why 2026 should be different essentially in the tech space. In 2026, I plan on doing more tutorials, not for tutorial's sake, but every single time I'll be doing a tutorial, it will be a business first coding tutorial. So every line of code we write this year will answer one question, all right? If this were a real company, would this feature make or save money? That's the only question. If the answer is no, we don't build it. So here's how this channel works from now on. 2026, we don't start with a framework. We don't start with all those different gadgets like, we're deciding on using Python or PHP or what. We are going to start with the problem that exists in the real world. A courier company losing parcels, for instance, a petrol station bleeding money through manual audits, maybe even a HR team struggling with payroll chaos. That's a real issue. I mean, you will also think about how a startup founder, who needs subscriptions, maybe not vibes, just subscriptions. Like that's just essentially how it is. Then from there, we design. So we start by doing the business model, we start doing the pricing logic, we start doing the roles and permissions, we start doing the workflow, and we look at the failure points. Only then do we open the code editor. Only then. So if we're talking about Laravel, we're talking about Livewire, we're talking about Flutter, we're talking about AI, queues, payments, all those different technical terms, those are just tools. They're not the product. So at the end of the day, you just need to focus on the product. What is the outcome of this? The user experience. What is the user going to feel about this? And how it's going to scale in the end. How many users are going to be able to use this at the same time? And now, let me just throw in a direct jab because essentially there's a lot of controlled chaos. And let me just be honest, okay? If your entire plan in 2026 is learn React, hope somebody hires me, and then pray that AI doesn't replace me, bro, you're already late. These are things that have been done in 2016, not 2026. And let me just make this clear. 2016 is 10 years ago, all right? AI didn't kill developers because it's been existent in 2016. It killed developers who only knew syntax. That's the only thing that has happened here, okay? So businesses, if you're looking at a business context, right, they don't pay for clean code, all right? They pay for solutions that do not break at 3 a.m. That is it. So the question is now, what will you actually see on this channel? And I think this year we'll have to do a few things here and there, but mainly on this list of mine that I have here, we'll be building apps like they're meant to be sold. We'll be adding features when they make sense, not just because Twitter said so. And by Twitter, I mean X, for those Gen Zs who are still thinking that X and Twitter are the same thing. We'll talk about pricing, okay? Churn, right? Employee churn or a client churn or stuff like that. We'll talk about maybe say scaling. We'll talk about support. We'll talk about breaking things on purpose. all right, and fixing them in the process. We'll try to refactor bad decisions instead of pretending that they never happened. And you'll definitely see MVP builds in public. You'll definitely see SaaS ideas validated in code and in live streams. We'll start seeing the real systems, and in the use case, we'll also be doing a lot of vlogs in when we're using particular systems. And then we'll also have them have real constraints. And then also ask the question of why some features get rejected even if they're cool, right? So those are questions that we'll be answering in due time. I think if anything, there are some people who are still fixated on trying to learn syntax. Forget about that. Please just forget about that. 2026 shouldn't be a year for learning syntax. And if you need to learn syntax, just learn the basics and then carry everything else with AI. Trust me, you will want to be able to see yourself prosper in code through the aggressive use of AI, because right now it's not even expensive. In fact, there's some that don't even cost much, right? So the question is, again, who is this, or which audience is this for? And I'll just put this plain straight. Yeah, if you're here to copy paste code and disappear, the entirety of this channel will frustrate you. But if you want to actually take the step further and build software people actually pay for, if you want to start thinking like a founder instead of just a developer for a particular company, and think like a founder even as a developer, and then also on top of that, you need to also come in and understand how tech and money intersect, then you're exactly where you need to be. I honestly think by the end of the year 2026, and this is the thing, my goal is very simple. By the end of 2026, if you follow this channel consistently, you won't just say, I know Laravel, all right? You'll say, I know how to build a system that makes money. And that is a very different sentence completely. So this isn't just another year of tutorials, okay? In fact, this is the year to eradicate basic tutorials. This is business logic over hype. This is systems over trends. This is execution over opinions. I think that really sounds like the perfect energy to have for 2026. And if to you, opinionatedly, if this sounds like this is the energy that you want for yourself in 2026, subscribe, lock in, and let's build properly. Ladies and gentlemen, I will bid you all a farewell. We'll see you guys in the next video. This is the first video of 2026, and there will be a lot more to come. Please do indeed stay safe, and as always, may God bless.